Really what we're here to do is listen to all of you. The challenge we've had over the past 10 years in building broadband is the companies have been basically going to where they can make money, and which makes sense, but we're really tasked now with the challenge that came out of the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act to get broadband to places that have been perennially overlooked, have not been invested in.
They have resources available, but everything is on internet. When they want to register or enroll or subscribe to some of those services, they are sometimes limited.
Actions that the government could take that would make the most difference are working with internet service providers to ensure affordable high-speed internet is available to low-income households, and emphasis on high-speed internet.
It's a huge challenge and it's going to take a lot of money, but we're really excited. We've already started grant programs in place where we're providing money to counties to begin the planning process, to empower counties, to empower JPAs, empower tribes to build last mile networks.
With these two programs, the Department of Technology is developing the Digital Equity Plan. The Public Utilities Commission, given their role in the last mile and how critical they are in this space, are administering the BEAD program and the Broadband Equity Access and Deployment. These processes are being coordinated and conducted together. This is a prime example of that.